Here's the question. In brackets, 14 plus 7, close bracket, divided by, in brackets, 4 minus 3, close bracket, plus 5 times 2. Here, we'll apply the first rule. B for brackets, E for exponential, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction. We'll apply this from left to right, so first we'll solve the parentheses. Here, when we solve it, 14 plus 7 becomes 21. Bracket close, divided by, here, 4 minus 1 be 4 minus 1, 3 plus 5 times 2, this stays the same, 5 times 2. Let's solve that next. 21 divided by 3 plus 5 times 2, according to the PEMDAS rule. Multiplication and division have the same priority. When we come back to addition, we'll check from left to right. Whichever comes first from the left, we'll give it the first priority, and the one that comes second will get the second priority. So here, I'll check from left to right. Since division comes first, we'll give division the first priority, multiplication the second, and the third operation will get third priority. So, let's solve it. 21 divided by 3 plus 5 times 2. 21 divided by 3 is 7 times. Now, 7 plus 5 times 2. Now let's solve further. 5 times 2 is 10. 7 plus 10 is 17. This is the right answer.